Hello everyone, Crazy for Crypto is back with another video. In this video, I will show you how to mine cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano and Dogecoin very easily. You don't need to have any technical knowledge. So go to Google and type unminable. Yeah, so click on the first link that appears, unminable. Now I want to mine BitTorrent. So I am clicking on the BitTorrent icon in the list of coins. So go to the download section in the left side and scroll down. Uh, there are two types of downloads, packed and unpacked. Download the left one, which is the packed version. So this is just the miner. It's not like you can mine only BTT. With this miner you can mine any coin. Now this is where I have downloaded. It's in a zip file. Now extract it using WinRAR, which will already be downloaded in your Windows. So I am extracting it. Just wait for some time. Yeah, it's done, and the application will open automatically. Click on continue. Now it will show you whether you have GPU or CPU. If you have a gaming laptop, you can select GPU. In my case, I'm selecting CPU. Now select the coin you want to mine. I'm selecting BitTorrent and the address. I'll show you how to get the address. Go to your WazirX account, select BitTorrent, go to funds and then type BTT in the list of coins. Click on deposit. You will get this address. Just copy and paste it in that unminable miner software. Select the BitTorrent coin. This address is only for BitTorrent. Yeah, click on next. This will show you the current BitTorrent and the current hash rate. For best profits, please mine BitTorrent and Tron. These are the fastest coins to mine. And your computer needs to be on for like 3 or 4 days depending on your speed of your computer. It can even happen in one day. Yeah, so your CPU needs to be always on for the mining to take place, and you need to have an internet connection. So go to control panel, type sleep in the search bar and then plugged in. Dim the display, never. Put the computer to sleep, select never. Click both on never. So by this your CPU will never go to sleep and the mining will always happen in the background. So depending on your processor speed, it will take time. Thank you.